Hi, let's talk about fasteners.
Snaps. Snaps are usually found on children's clothes.
For example, these are snaps that are on a onesie, a baby clothing.
Hooks and eyes are usually found on necklines or off dresses and blouse. Hook and bar are usually found on skirts and pants waistbands.
There's an example of hook and bar on a waistline of a pants. This is the hook and the bar. You connect those together to close the pants. There are three types of button. This is the two-hole button, four-hole, and this is the shank button. Buttons are found on the edge of a garment where it overlaps on the waistbands, front edge of jackets, dresses, skirts, and blouse. So this is an example of how the button is found on the edge of the garment. Sew-through buttons, 2-hole or 4 holes, are used along with buttonholes, and this is an example of a buttonhole. Shank buttons can use along with buttonholes as well, or they get used along with loops. Zippers are used to close the opening of skirts, pants, or dresses. Hook and loop tapes are commonly found on children's garments. They can be found on shoes, sportswear, and they are used to replace buttons.